So this is Jakhaari again, and I'm doing this video. I haven't done a video in a long time, but I'm doing this video to talk about how I lost 23 pounds doing keto. So yeah, let's go.
My name's Jakhaari, and this is my channel. Make sure you like it, and please go subscribe right now.
I made this beat, by the way. This is like completely me. All Jakhaari.
Alright guys, I'm going to talk about the top 5 things that you're going to need to do or know before you start this keto diet, okay? So, first of all, y'all know I like to talk about my hair. So, this wig was actually 18 inches and my friend cut it because I was like, I tried it on and I was like, you know what? I don't really like long hair. I like it, but at the same time, it's like, it's so different from me. Like, it's really different. I don't wear long hair at all. So, it is from wigtypes.com. It is the freedom part. It is the, I think it's the 201. But anyway, I'll put the link in the description below. And also the YouTube video that I watched to find out about this hair and what made me want to buy this hair. So, I got it from wigtypes.com. You can find the link in the description box below. And you know what I'm saying? My hair is laid and slayed for days. Okay. Anyway, so we're going to talk about the top 5 things that I recommend before starting the keto diet. Things that are going to be crucial to seeing success in your keto diet or keto lifestyle. Alright, so number 1 is do your research. Don't jump into anything without doing your research first to see if it's even for you. Talk to your doctor. I'm not a doctor, so I can't recommend anything medicinally or anything like that. But do your research. I use Google as a source. Also, my sister, she knew a lot about keto. So talk to people in your family that may have done it. Watch YouTube videos like I did, like my sister did, to get a little bit more knowledge on what exactly it is. To my knowledge, keto is basically when, well, keto is short for ketosis, and it's basically where your body, from what I know, your body gets low on carbs, and so after it burns the energy from carbs, it starts to burn fat, and so that is how people lose weight like super fast. Like I remember getting on the scale one day and I was 5 pounds lighter than the previous day. So yeah, so that's a little bit of, that is my first thing. Definitely do your research. Number two. All right, so the second most important thing that you're going to need to remember is that you cannot eat more than 20 grams of carbs per day. Some people say 20 to 25. When you're doing keto and you're going hard and you really want to see results, you don't want to do more than 20 grams of carbs per day. That means you don't want to eat any bread. You don't want to eat anything that's high in carbs because you will be over for your day and it will throw you out of ketosis, or it will hinder you from getting into ketosis as fast as you want. So less than 20 grams of carbs per day. Personally, me, I eat every day that I wake up. I have a scoop of peanut butter, and that is like my carb for the day, unless I cheat, which I do cheat, so I'm not even gonna go there. And I, you know, just had a, alright, I have a confession. I just had a Frisch's hot fudge sundae, and it was my sister's idea.
Don't be putting me in it.
It was my sister's idea.
Girl,
and
I told you not to
and
do
she
it.
was
I
like,
told you not to do it.
and she planted the seed. Like the devil, he be planting the seeds.
Girl, don't be out
I really want a sundae. I really want a sundae.
You're cutting that out.
No, I'm not.
You are.
She tricked me and I'm snitching. I'm snitching. Alright. Anyway, so I did have a sundae today, but you know what? God is good.
If you put that in there, you ain't gonna be able to get another line in this motherfucking video, because every second I'm gonna say, cut!
Okay. No. So, seriously, guys, I did have a sundae today. It was, no one put a gun to my head. I just wanted something sweet. So today I did not fulfill my keto. But you know what? Another thing that I learned is forgiveness of self is very important while dieting or trying to change your lifestyle. Just forgive yourself and move. Keep it moving. Your day didn't end. You're not dead. But did you die? You did not. So keep it moving and move on. We need to move on to number 2 because I took so long with number 1. Making sure that you exercise. With ketosis, you can definitely just lose weight by not exercising and just strictly eating like under your 20 grams of carbs, eating high fats, eating medium proteins, things like that, and making sure you stay away from sugar, you know, whatever, and drinking lots of water. But I will say definitely do some exercise because 1, it will boost your metabolism. It did that for me. I felt like I wasn't losing weight fast enough in the beginning. So I started working out 3 to 5 times a day, and it definitely worked for me. Oh, yeah. Woo! And so I started working out 3 to 5 times a week, not a day. Working out 3 to 5 times a week, and that helped me to start toning, and it also got my confidence up because I'm like, yeah, I'm going in, like, I'm really doing this, you know what I'm saying? So exercise is very important. You need to drink tons and tons and tons of water, whether hot or cold. You can drink tea. I recently started drinking a lot of tea, and I like tea because it flushes you out. So I compare it to like if you make bacon, right? And you make bacon in a pan, and then afterwards all of the fat settles. Hot water breaks up the fat, but cold water makes the fat stick together. So I kind of think about it that way when I think about how fat breaks down in our body. So I like to drink a lot of tea. Recently, that I haven't always done that, but recently I started drinking a lot of tea. And I don't typically add sugar. I don't add any sugar, but when I do, I add like Truvia or a sugar substitute to my tea. Number 4, you cannot have no sugar. Now, I personally have not kept to this, which is why for the past couple of months I've been a little stagnant. Well, actually, for the past month I've been stagnant, and that is because I like sugar, and I just had a hot fudge sundae today. But I will forgive myself. It was not my fault. The devil whispered something in my ear, and I let him take me to the mountaintop and throw me over the hill, you know. So definitely no sugar. But if you do have sugar, forgive yourself and move on. It's not that big of a deal. You didn't die, but did you? So anyway, this is not a long video, but number 5 is make sure you believe in yourself. No one who doesn't believe in themselves can do anything. If you don't believe that you can lose weight, you don't believe that you can stick to something, you don't believe that you can envision yourself in that dress or on that beach looking good, then you won't be able to see it. You won't see it. I look good. And you know why I look good? It's because I've been envisioning myself looking good. I have been manifesting that because I've been visualizing it. I've been like, girl, I want to look this way. And I'm going to show y'all some pictures real quick so y'all can see how I look now versus how I looked then. Now, I got some work to do, honey. I am down to 186, so I still have a ways to go. But I am proud of myself because I came this far and I am not going back. So believing in yourself is my number 5 thing to being successful with keto. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I think I'm almost at 800. So let's keep it going. 200 people. I need y'all to like, subscribe, and share to this video, and I will definitely do a giveaway once I get to 1,000 and reach my goal for the end of the year. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will have pictures and videos of my progress so you guys can see what I did. I will put that up in the next video, and I will have a couple pictures now so you guys can see how fucking amazing I look. And I'm sorry to cuss, but I look good. You know what I'm saying? Got my brush. Gotta brush the wig. You know what I'm saying? Look good out here in the streets. So, thank you guys again so much for watching my video. This is a short video. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.